This video is brought to you by Gaudin Porsche, a company that is part of the Gaudin Motor Company, which has been serving Las Vegas and the West Coast for over 100 years.
This is a 2021 911 Carrera, the base 911 that you can get, but that doesn't mean this one is down on power. It's still powered by a 3-liter twin-turbocharged flat 6, 379 horsepower, 331 pound-feet of torque, 0 to 60 in just 3.1 seconds with launch control, which is insane for a car with these power numbers. And this one has upgraded tires, meaning you get 245s up front, 305s in the back, and these are the upgraded Carrera S rims and high-gloss black paint. Now this one is finished in white, and it also has this silver motorsport strip going all the way down to the back, where there is a rear wiper actually optioned on this car. Now on the back of this 911, this one has the sport tailpipes installed that are in high gloss black, which makes this 3-liter flat 6 sound so much better. Here's what it sounds like. Now, the interesting thing about the 911 is that you actually don't have a way to see the engine itself. It's actually tucked behind here somewhere. Now, you can lift this up right here, but all you're going to see is the oil cap, where you'll be able to add more oil if you want to, but you're not going to be able to actually see that 3-liter flat 6. Though it is really cool looking back here. You have this light bar that spans the entire rear of the car and the Porsche logo. This one had the trim badge deleted on it, but typically it would say 911 under this because this is the Carrera model. Now on the inside of the 911, this is a really nice place to be. On the Carrera, you do get a pretty nice interior, and the seats are also pretty comfortable as well, and they have the Porsche logo embossed into the headrest of them. This one also has heated seats and a bunch of settings you can play with in the center control stack, including a wet mode, a sport mode, and you can configure your suspension settings using a button on the far right. It also has dual zone climate control as standard, and you can get cooled seats on this car if you really wanted to. Now, the infotainment system is great, highly responsive and very easy to use, and the gauge cluster is a nice thing to look at. 2 screens with the analog tachometer in the center, and this one has a Guards Red tachometer along with Guards Red seatbelts, just in case you want that extra bit of uniqueness in your 911. You can customly option these things as much as you want. They're very customizable vehicles.